good, Pretty Gang? It's Pretty My. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to install a closure wig from beginning to end, and I cover everything in this video except for bleaching and plucking, so it's very educational. Keep watching if y'all are interested in how I installed my wig today and interested in being put onto some new glue, because I definitely tried something new today. But yeah, keep watching. I'm gonna see y'all in 2 seconds so I can show you guys how to get a seamless install like me. Okay, before you even watch the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You know the drill. So yeah, do all that, then get into my video. All the information to this wig will be down below, including the link to the exact same wig that I'm wearing, so y'all can find all that down below, and I'm gonna see y'all in 2 seconds when we start this tutorial. Alright, what's good, you guys? So we're gonna just get into this. I'm gonna start with like the wig cap. I'm pretty sure I already know how this goes because it's the same as the frontal, but this one is a closure. Let me show y'all the wig real quick. I just got it on my mannequin head, and here it is. So I haven't flat ironed it. I haven't did anything without you guys except for bleach and pluck. And then I kind of sectioned out baby hairs because I was trying to see if I wanted to do something. I also attempted to tint the lace. I'm gonna get into that later during the install about what's going on there. I'm sorry if in advance if y'all can hear my dog's bell shaking or if she's whining, because it's just closed throughout the door. If y'all don't already know, I'm in my new apartment, so I haven't really figured out what I'm gonna do about her during filming, so this is the solution for now. And yeah, so yeah, basically I'm just showing y'all how to install a closure. I'm also sorry if there's an echo. I have not finished my filming room, so it's probably the echo's kind of empty, but yeah, that's where we're at right now. Y'all know I'm excited. I want to give y'all updates so bad, but I think I'm gonna just have y'all wait until the vlog that I'm gonna film this week. Anyways, back to the video. So today we're gonna be installing our wig with HD glue. They were nice enough to send me glue and remover. They also sent me eyelash glue, which I didn't know they had, but yeah, that's what we're gonna be installing it with. This is not sponsored by them. I just am trying the product today. I don't think I'm gonna try to focus any of the products up close like I usually do, because my camera has been acting real crazy today, and I think it's because this new lighting situation, because obviously I moved, so it's different. It's way brighter here than it was in my mom's house and in my old apartment. So yeah, my camera's having trouble adjusting, but I'll figure that out by next video. So to install, we're just gonna take the HD glue. I really wish I could show you guys, but it's not focusing. And we're just going to pretty much draw a line from here to here. I'm installing my cap with the glue today because I feel like it's the easiest method to do it, and I'm feeling kind of lazy. So yeah, you just do one coat and just slide it back and forth, making sure to push the glue through the cap so that it sticks. So I'm gonna blow dry it, and then I'm gonna talk to you in a second. Okay, so as y'all can see, it's clear now. It dried. Before I cut anything, I'm gonna go in with the foundation and do my cap. If anybody's wondering, I use NARS Natural Radiance. This is my favorite foundation in the world, in the color Macau or MD4. I'm not sure if that's the color or not, but yeah, that's my shade. So I'm gonna put it on my hand like always. I think I want to invest in one of them. If anybody's a makeup artist, you probably have seen like a palette where I could just put the makeup on, so I don't have to do it on my hand, because I'm tired of using my makeup wipes to clean up the back of my hand. If y'all see this right here, I was being dumb earlier and I wanted to see, I was just curious, can you use lace tint on your cap, like the spray? And yeah, you can. It's a little too dark though, so we're gonna ignore that and act like that's not there, okay? But yeah, obviously you guys know how to apply foundation. Just put it everywhere. So yeah, this is good. So next we're just going to put that away and cut exactly where this line is. I'm not really sure if the cap is gonna stay on my head or not. I don't really wear closures enough, but we're just gonna have faith because I know I need to cut this. Also, again, the same reason that I couldn't focus products on the camera is the same reason why the camera quality might not be that good today, because my camera's acting a fool today. But yeah, we're just gonna cut it exactly in front of the glue. You could use a razor for this, but y'all know I don't really do razors. So y'all can see the cap stayed on. I'm gonna just put some more makeup on the edges of this so we don't have like a light edge, and then you're done. So that's how you install a ball cap. My makeup may not look the same color as my skin on the cap, but you know, it's not gonna like mess up the install or nothing if it's a shade or two off. Here's our wig. I don't know why I'm holding her like that. So here's the wig on my head. All I did was clip it back, and I'm gonna pull it into place. And honestly, the tint doesn't look too bad. It might be a little lighter, but I don't think it's gonna mess up anything. I don't think we're gonna have to apply makeup on it either. But like I said earlier, I'm not gonna introduce the tint or the brand that I did or anything in this video. I'll do it in my next video. Just look out for the video with a red 99J wig. That's the wig that I'm gonna try it on. Okay, so if you guys are new to closures, you may not know that you have to cut off these side pieces. I already cut this one off because I used it as my test strip for the tint. But there's these side pieces. They're usually thicker on this side of your closure. It may be hard for you guys to see because this one is tinted now, but just go ahead and cut straight back and cut that off all the way up to the track, and then just cut it off like that. This is how it's looking, and now we can pretty much install the wig. So what we're gonna do is just move this back. Make sure you don't move it too far back because we're gonna need it to kind of see how much glue to put. You can see I didn't move it too far back, and now we can see that we need glue from here to here. I'm gonna probably make it a little smaller, like here to here. I'm just using my closure, the pieces lifted up, as a guide to where to put the glue. Closures are the easiest type of wig to install. It's no need to be nervous if it's your first one or whatever. It's very hard to mess up a closure. Okay, so I'm gonna use a popsicle stick and rub the glue, making sure that I'm doing an even thin coat. You don't want any thick areas because that part's gonna take super long to dry, and then the rest will be too dry, and then your wig won't stick, and it's just a mess. And I will blow dry this until it's clear. Okay, as y'all can see, it turned clear. There's always probably gonna be a white sheen on where the glue meets the wig cap. That's just normal. I think it's because the glue gets into the cloth and it doesn't dry as easily, but it will dry over time of the application. But it's clear, and I'm just gonna do a second layer right now, and this is gonna be my last layer. If you guys want your wigs to last longer, you can do 3 layers. Okay, so now that it's dry, we can pull our lace forward and put it on the glue. All y'all want to do, it's the same thing as a lace front. You take a rat tail comb and you comb it in place. But closures are so much easier because they pretty much fit snug to your head already, so you don't really have to press that hard. Because as you can see, this wig is in place already. And now we're just going to cut the lace off. Okay, so here's the wig installed. The tint actually did really good, so it's matching perfectly. Basically, of course, I'm gonna do the middle part. I always do middle parts. If you guys have any areas lifting, like I do right here, feel free to put more glue. That's what I'm gonna do right now. I like to just like apply my glue to the rat tail comb and then touch up small areas because it's the easiest way. Popsicle stick is too big, I think. Okay, once we're done with that, we're just gonna put our hair into the middle part and use the wax stick to keep it down. Then I like to straighten up my part after I put the wax stick on because it's easier to manage the parts, if that makes sense. So I already had our hot comb heating up all you want to do for this part is the same thing as always. Go in with your hot comb and flatten out that part. Okay, so there it is. There's that middle part. So I can't even see the part in person, but on camera it's showing up good. So y'all can see where my part is. I can't even see where my part is in person because the hair looks the same color as the scalp at the roots, which is crazy. Okay, since I just hot combed the middle part at the top, I'm gonna start working on my edges. So my flat iron has time to heat up. To start off, I always just like to hot comb everything back first and then pull baby hairs out later. The same thing with the middle part. You don't have to try to make it super neat and super sleek back. Just enough to push the hair back and get it out your face. We're getting into baby hairs now. So I just take my rat tail comb and I'm gonna pull some out. I'm gonna kind of do what I already had going on with the mannequin. With the just 2 baby hairs on the side or whatever. Sorry, I'm not really talking. I'm trying to figure out what to do. But basically, I'm sure y'all saw that. All I did was use the back of the hot comb to hot comb the baby hairs forward. And I'm really considering just doing one side at a time, but I'm gonna do the other side at the same time. Now that we got both of our baby hairs out, I'm gonna just start by cutting them. I cut them a little long just so I have room to work with because I don't really do these type of baby hairs, so I don't know how long it needs to be. Now that we cut our baby hairs, I'm gonna just go in behind them and hot comb this back for real, like all the way in place so that we don't get any of that in our baby hairs. We're probably gonna hot comb it one more time after the baby hairs too, but I just like to make sure my sections are clear and not touching. For my baby hairs today, I'm gonna be using Gorilla Snot Gel because this holds your edges down really, really good. I would highly recommend this if you're doing a real glue down install. I would not recommend this if you're doing a got-to-be install. It's really messy. With glue, this is my favorite thing to do my edges with. I'm gonna do my edges with the Gorilla Snot and, of course, a baby hair brush, a cleaner one. Yeah, a baby hair brush. I don't have a baby hair tutorial on my channel, but I just feel like they're so easy, and especially this type, I'm not even gonna like bother talking through it, so y'all can just watch. Okay, so since all that's done, all I'm about to do is flatten the hair really quickly. It's a thin wig, it's not very thick, so it's not gonna take that long. But I'm going to skip y'all over it because you know how to flatten hair, and it's just gonna take a minute, and it's just no point. So yeah, so I'm gonna see y'all in 2 seconds. Once I'm done flattening the hair, we're gonna take this off together, and then our install should be just about done. Alright, so as y'all can see, I already flattened it, everything. So the hair is like looking really silky. You could flatten it before you do all of the edges and stuff. I just did mine after, but do whatever fits you the best. So as y'all can see, it looks really clean and neat. I have a wrinkle from the freaking, from the thing I used to tie it down with. So that's annoying, but everything else looks pretty good. So I'm gonna just do like my little finishing touches. I'm not even gonna say too much because this install is pretty much done. Okay, so everything looked good, but just as a finishing touch, I'm gonna go in and line my part, because in real life it's almost invisible, like you cannot even see it. So I'm gonna just make it stand out. I'm gonna just put concealer in the middle of my part, and then I should be done. Okay, in real life, the part looks a little better, but it's still like pretty much invisible. But on camera, it looks a lot better and a lot cleaner. So I'm not even too mad. I'm not really going nowhere. It's really just for y'all to see. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this install. I'm gonna pull out her hair to the front so y'all can see. This wig is kind of thin, like I said. But yeah, you guys, that's all for this installation today. Once again, this wig is from Allove hair. I'll have all the information linked down below. I will not be reviewing this hair in this video. I'm actually be reviewing it in a separate video, so stay tuned for that, but it will not be my next one. My next video is going to be some red hair, so stay tuned for that too. If you guys are looking forward to the reviewing this hair, and this video that you're watching right now is kind of old, I should have it linked down below to the review, or just check my channel. I'm gonna have it up soon. I'm probably filming that this week. So yeah, let me know what y'all think down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to join the pretty gang so you can be a pretty gangster like me. And I'm gonna see y'all in my next video.